Hi everyone, this is Kathie Ryan in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you, just looking, you see before you a 16 by 20 or inch or 40.6 by 50.8 centimetre canvas, and I've got some black on it. I want to do a flip cup. That's what I'm going to do, but I need that piece of cardboard. Come here. Come hither. Maybe this piece would be better. Let me tear it off. It's a bit thicker. Not as thick as some. Alright, so I have a paper cup, isn't it pretty? And a piece of cardboard. And I have ultramarine blue, crimson, turquoise, white and black. And I don't think I'll use this cup, I think I'll use two of these. So I'll just take that out. In the turquoise and the crimson I have a couple of drops of OGX. So I'm hoping to get some nice cells and something very pretty. Some black in here and some more turquoise, red and blue, and a bit of white on the top, I think. Okay, so get over there. Whoops, splitched it out a bit, but that's okay. It can stay there. Now, let's get this cup going. Quite like doing these. And put the paint out of my way as I go. A bit more in this cup than the other, that's okay. Oops. Come on, don't dribble. Dribbled all over my arm. Right, into the bin. So let's see what we have. Whoops, don't go over the edge. Ugh. That went a bit gooey. So we're just going to see what we have here. I'll turn him around, getting lots of nice cells. Down here. Okay. Not fussed on that turquoise. Just bring it down here. Right. How pretty. That got that. Now, I'm still not fussed with that turquoise, so I've got some blue and red. Just pour them in like that. A bit of white. You can't rub it off, Winston, you have to leave it on. And let's do this. Winston had a gentleman's operation the other day and he's trying to rub the safety collar off. He's such a devil. Get that down and bring that across. Right, let get rid of that. I'm going to bring that down to the corner. Alright. Even more pretty now. Let's put some of that off a bit. Plenty of paint, too much waste. I might take that right to the top or the bottom, whichever way you're looking at it. And that's got that. Bring it down, stretch it out a bit. Excellent. Now I'm going to do that. Rid of the fingerprints, and I'm going to rinse my hands off and torch it just to see what we have. So it won't be a second while I do this. Action happening, and I've got some nice ones coming up, but she said I would like to do this here. Right, oops, a bit of white over that I think. Yes, now I like it a lot. I wonder if the cells will come up through the black and white. We'll soon see. I'll wipe my hands and give it a bit more of a torch. getting a few. This is good. I like it. So I'm going to bring you down now to take a look, and the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find underneath the video under show more. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please give this the thumbs up. Wrong way, that way. This is what I've been looking at. And this is really pretty. It's got a nice 3D effect to it now that I put the ribbons across. Yes, the colours are lovely and bright. These are the new acrylics that I'm trying out. Not that they've given them to me, I had to purchase them. But you'll find their names under show more. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.